I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the HBO Max app. Launch the HBO Max app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to subscription details. In account settings, look for the subscription or billing section. Tap on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read any messages about the cancellation policy. Note, if you subscribe through a third party, you may need to cancel through the service instead. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from HBO Max. This ensures that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. I hope this guide helps you easily cancel your HBO Max subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.